Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Revlon Lustrous Lipstick product, the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Gloss in the shade 200 Crystal Clear. If you're looking for a lip gloss that combines vibrant shine, hydration, and a comfortable feel, this might just be your new favorite. First off, the Revlon Super Lustrous Lip Gloss delivers that iconic high-shine finish we all love, but without the sticky, tacky feel that many glosses tend to have. Thanks to its lightweight, non-sticky formula, it glides on smoothly, leaving your lips looking luscious and glossy without weighing them down. The texture feels light as air, making it comfortable enough for all-day wear. One of the standout features of this lip gloss is its moisturizing formula. Revlon has infused this gloss with nourishing ingredients like agave, moringa oil, and kapuka butter. These help keep your lips hydrated and soft while adding a luscious shine. So not only do you get that beautiful glossy finish, but your lips also get treated with moisture-rich care, making it a great alternative to your regular lip balm. Application is a breeze with the oversized doe foot applicator. It has a big reservoir tip that deposits just the right amount of product evenly across your lips in one swipe. This means you can easily achieve a full, glossy look without fuss or multiple layers. Whether you want a subtle glow or something a bit more dramatic, this gloss allows you to build coverage from sheer to more vibrant, depending on your mood. Revlon offers this gloss in 24 shades, including this crystal clear version for a natural, polished look. It also pairs beautifully when layered over Revlon's Super Lustrous Lipstick, giving you a multi-dimensional shine and enhanced color that makes lips look fuller and more vibrant. In terms of packaging, the product is compact and travel-friendly, containing 0.13 fluid ounces of gloss. It's made in the USA and carries a trusted Revlon quality that you can count on. Whether you're heading out for a casual day or want to add a touch of shine to your evening look, this lip gloss is designed to keep your lips moisturized, shiny, and feeling great. It's the perfect blend of beauty and care in one easy-to-use product. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time for more honest product insights.